Diretso ng mga sirat, paglinis ng tumi. Sa tahanan, opisina, ang maaasahan mo ay Inko. Oh, Inko. 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 Oh, Inko. 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 Oh, Inko. 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 Oh, Inko. Inko.
Tuesday is basketball day. Good evening sa inyong lahat mga kasarog. This is your Ako Bicol Cup 2022. Hatid sa inyo ni Congressman Sal Dico at nag-Ako Bicol Party List. Katabang na, kasurog pa. We're already at our day 15 ng ating first round of our tournament. And you know what that means. We are finally in our last day sa ating round 1 ng ating Ako Bicol Cup 2022. Huling tapatan ng mga taga First District of Albay. And we'll find out kung sino ang dalawang makapasok sa ating sunod na round. 3 exciting games headed our way tonight, partner, as we take a look sa loob ng ating covered court. Crowd coming from different districts of Albay are now starting to pile up. And we welcome you all here sa Daraga Covered Court sa bayan na umaarangkada. Walang iba kung hindi ang bayan ng Daraga. And we now head on sa ating Game 1 ngayong araw na ito as we take a look at the key players of both teams. Let's first start with Noriel Gabion of Malilipot and Federico Almario of Tiwi. Sino ulit sa mga magagaling na manlalarong ito ang magpapakita ng kanilang talento para bigyan ang kanilang kupunan ng panalo? Ako po pala si Kapa Morgan and kasama ko sa aking tabi ngayon ang walang iba kundi si Coach Kyle Marilla. Coach Kyle, magandang gabi sa iyo, partner.
Magandang gabi sa iyo, partner. And eto na nga ang huling laro sa magkabilang kupunan para dito sa ating first round ng ating Ako Bicol Cup 2022. Pero talagang uuwi man sila na out na sila dito sa ating torneo, pero they have to be proud of themselves.
Yes, of course. And siya nga pala, we are live sa Ako Bicol Party List page, Ako Bicol Online TV, at sa page mismo ni Representative Sal Dico. And we encourage you, everyone, mga kasurog, to support us by hitting the like and share button para maging updated kayo. And at the same time, mapanood nyo ang ating live broadcast in different places around the world. And balikan din natin, Coach Kyle, yung mga previous games nitong dalawang kupunan na maglalaban ngayon sa ating unang match-up.
Right now, Team Tiwi still 0 sa kanilang win column. Still struggling to have their first win in the tournament as they got defeated by Team Tabaco with 11-point deficit. Maganda sana yung performance ng Team Tiwi doon, pero talagang nagkulang na naman sila pagdating ng fourth quarter. On the other side naman, Team Malilipot also losing sa Team Santo Domingo with 22 big points. So, titingnan natin dito, can Team Malilipot snatch a victory or a Team Tiwi ba ang makakauwi na ng isang panalo?
Ayan, pero bago natin malaman, ito na muna yung ating games at hand, mga kasarog. We will be having 3 games para sa ating Day 15 o huling araw ng ating Round 1 sa ating Ako Bicol Cup 2022. For our first matchup, we will be having Team Malilipot versus Tiwi. Next will be Malinao versus Santo Domingo. And for our last matchup of the day, it will be Team Bakakay and Team Tabaco. Ayan, and let's head on to our story ngayong araw na ito. Experience is better than winning. Yan ang ating headline ngayong Day 15 ng Ako Bicol Cup 2022. 2 struggling teams right now in the tournament. But look, they're still here, smiling and would give their best or showcase their talents para sa atin ngayon. Kung hindi naman makakasama, mapapatuloy pa rin sila sa next round. And eto na ang ating arena announcer, Julius Russell Porlas.
And this is your inaugural season of Ako Bicol Cup 2022. Brought to you by Congressman Zaldico and Ako Bicol Partners. Katabang na kasurog pa. And this is the first match of tonight's triple header. Now, let's meet our protagonists first from your Team Dewey. Starting up guard, number 13, Mark Anthony Gandol. Another guard, number 9, Raymond Verano. At center, number 69, Mark Ernest Fajardo. At 4, number 11, Keywords Bobby. And 4, number 6, Ansel Flores. Head coach, Jay Rodriguez. And now, for your team, Malilipo. Starting at guard, number 2, Raptor Carrillo. Another guard, number 1, Rasi Yaso. At center, number 16, Alvin Milagrosa. At 4, number 11, Lorena Gavion. And 4, number 36, Michael Aquino. Our referees for today, Head Crew Chief, Bong Bagasala. Umpire 1, Noli Brillas. Umpire 2, Ray Miraflores.
At eto na nga ang ating tapatan ng Malilipot and Tiwi dito po sa ating Ako Bicol Cup 2022. And now the tip-off. Pero ito muna yung mga starters natin.
Para sa team Malilipot, nandiyan si Carion, Yasol, Gabion, Aquino at Milagrosa. Tatapatan niya ni Verano, Gandol, Flores, Bobis at Pajardo para sa team Tiwi.
And right now, yung unang possession nasa mga taga Malilipot. Wala yung unang tira pero nandun pa rin si Bitara. And finishes with that. Yeah, finishes with that two-pointer. First two-pointer of the ball game. Tiwi launching three on that particular play. Unang attempt din nila pero wala yon. Aquino. To Carion. Faking and shaking. Back to Aquino. To Gabion. Medyo short yon. Wala din yung follow-up shot ni Milagrosa.
Ang gandang matchup nito sa ilalim.
Oo.
With Fajardo kontra kay Milagrosa and Bitara kontra kay Rito.
And Gandol launching a three. Pero that one was too strong. Flores to Fajardo. Fajardo nagkaroon ng trouble sa loob. At ngayon napunta ang bola sa mga naka-green. And Carion committing an offensive foul.
Number 2, Raptor Carion. First team foul.
Now it's Gadol for Tiwi. Fajardo at the top of the key, wala. Nasa kay Carion ang bola ng Malilipot. To Aquino. Launching a three and that's good.
Yan ang partner ang nawawala sa laro ni Aquino. That's the touch from the 3-point area pero ngayon nagparamdam ka agad.
Oo, medyo parang mas confident siya ngayon sa game na to, no? And now Carion fakes that jumper and finally shoots that two-pointer.
7-0 run here for the team Malilipot.
Oh, hindi pa nakakapuntos po ang mga naka-violet. Fajardo spinning and making that shot.
Fajardo.
First two-pointer for Team Tiwi. Aquino. Nice fake. Nice shot. Mula kay Gabion. What a beautiful move. Flores. Dorito. Rito now. Balik kay Flores. Pinasa sana kay Verano sa baseline pero natapik yon ni Milagrosa.
9 seconds to shoot.
Fajardo. Hirap doon because of the defense of Milagrosa. Carrion.
Traveling yun.
And he forgot to use his legs.
This is the dream start of Team Malilipot right now. Early, maganda yung opensa nila, pati depensa. Ito yung gustong start ng Team Malilipot.
We just hope that they can sustain, of course, in this ball game for them to win. Gandol passes it sa labas to Verano. And that's a good three-pointer.
Nakausap ko kanina sa labas before the start.
And then that three-point shot was brought to you by Willie and Sons. Basta Appliances, Willie's.
Ginagaya ko yan, partner. Mamaya sabay tayo. Basta Appliances, Willie's.
And right now it's Milagrosa missing that one.
Kanina, yung sinasabi ko, nakausap ko si Mark Anthony Gandol dito sa labas kanina before mag-start ang ating game. Sabi niya sa akin, Coach, gustong-gusto na namin manalo, makalasap ng unang panalo dito. Kaya yan ang susubukan nilang gawin. At sabi niya nga, I'm ready to take over to this ball game. Makakuha lang kami ng panalo.
So whatever it takes, they have to win.
Parang this is no longer about X's and O's. This is no longer about the stats. It's about winning.
Yes, and it's about pride. Right now it's Flores to Gandol. Nakita si Verano doon sa kabila. Another three-point attempt pero not that time for Verano. Gabion launches a long two and that's pretty good from that number 11 guy of Malilipot. And that one was brought to you by Inco Tools, Legazpi, Sorsogon, Naga. Another two-pointer from Gabion. Ganda ng jump shot niya, no, partner?
Yes, the most consistent guy for Team Malilipot is Noriel Gabion.
Perfect yung tira niya. Meantime, nasa ilalim si Fajardo. Binigay kay Rito. And ngayon, nasa mga taga Malilipot na naman ang bola. That's another perfect shot from that guy, Gabion. Score natin 15 for Malilipot, 5 for Tiwi. And yan ang mga slow-mo natin.
Timeout. Tiwi.
Ganda ng release ni Gabion. Pagka iniwan mo ganyan siya ka wide open, talagang ilista mo na.
Oo.
That's a no-no. Kung kalaban mo si Gabion to leave him wide open, especially from the perimeter area, talaga papatayin ka nito sa kanyang mga jump shot. Kita mo pa lang yung release niya very smooth. And the stroke is really there for Noriel Gabion. Kaya yung mga talo nila, a good scouting report sa kanilang mga opponent. Kaya hindi siya madalas mabigyan ng ganong ka-open ang mga tira.
Usually, coach, pagka ganong high percentage yung mga tira ng isang player kagaya ni Gabion, anong dapat na depensa dyan?
You have to stay in front of him.
Oo.
Kasi kahit anong gagawa siya ng separation doon. Pero if you are in front of him tapos natirahan at nakashoot pa, that's a better offense. Pero if you did good sa yung depensa, at least may chance ang pumalya yan.
Dapat wag mo nang patalunin. Para
Wag mo naman hihilahin.
Wag mo nang pa-elevate siya para makapag release ng kanyang jump shot. Now Gandol susubukan naman behind the arc and that's good for Mark Anthony Gandol for Team Tiwi.
Para sa Team Malilipot naman, you cannot afford to give the rhythm on Mark Anthony Gandol kasi ito din, deadly shooter din to from the outside.
Oo. So ganun ang mga dapat nilang gawin. They have to find the guy who's hot and then stop that guy. Now it's Gandol shooting another 3, and that's another perfect shot from Mark Anthony Gandol of Tiwi. And that 3-point shot was brought to you by Yashano Mall. Magandang gabi po sa mga taga Yashano Mall. Salamat sa pagtitiwala sa Ako Bicol Cup 2022.
Dapat ang ano mo dyan, partner, Yashano Mall.
Ibang bayan doon.
Iba ba yun?
Ibang bayan.
Okay.
Pag may kasamang kanta,
Ah,
may kasamang jingle.
Oh, pwede pala bayaran yung music ko din, no?
Pwede. Kaya sinayang mo. May utang sila sa'yo. Ayan, score po natin 18-13. Malilipot pa rin leading this ball game. We now only have 3 minutes and 30 seconds. 16 seconds sa shot clock ng mga taga Malilipot. Gabion, faking, driving, fading away, and that's another perfect shot from that guy. Ganda ng galawan, ano?
Yeah.
Parang
There's really no defense at all para sa Team TV. That is why Norel Gabion hitting wide open jumpers, talagang papatayin niya yan.
And gumanti naman kaagad itong si Fajardo. That big man from the big man of one of the big man of Tiwi.
Fajardo,
Aquino.
parang ano talaga parang si Kraken na Junmar Fajardo ng PBA. Same, malaki din to
Oo.
Almost yung mga kilala ko mga Fajardo ang mga apelido, talagang malalaki
Malalaki.
sila
Nasa lahi siguro.
Oo.
Wala yung 3-point shot na yon ni Gandol. Rito. Dumiretso. Ginolens ang bola. Wala. And here we go. With Gabion. Hesitates to shoot. Pero he opted to use the glass. Wala yung tirang yon. Gandol shaking. Verano launches a 3. Nope. Medyo tumama lang sa dulo ng ring. Ayun na naman si Carion. Mabilis. Dumiretso. Wala. It is because nandun ang kanyang kalaban na si Gandol and the other guys.
Tinalikuran ni
Oo.
Gandol yun. He thought na papasok na yun. That's straight pero short lang.
What a confidence. Diba? Parang Steph Curry.
Time out, Team Malilipot.
And this time out is being brought to you by Missy Bisbay, your tropical island getaway. Missy Bisbay. Team building. Ganda dyan, ano?
Maganda talaga dyan mag-team building
Ayan yung pinaka-ideal talaga when it comes to those.
Been there once,
Oo.
pero hindi ko na naulit pumunta dyan. Baka naman, I guess ngayong Christmas No?
Baka naman. Diba?
Oo. Hindi baka naman, talagang oo.
Ayan, we're taking a look at Coach Jay Rodriguez giving some instruction para sa bagong salta na si Cabiles ng Team Tiwi.
For 40 seconds on the shot clock.
Bobby's faking. Wala yung tirang yon ni Kotara. Now it's Gabion to Aquino. Hinalambitinan nitong si
Oo,
si
kasi
Cabiles.
in that sequence, wala ka na magagawa. Open shot na yun para kay Aquino because of that
Foul
fake
number
ni Aquino and that drop step.
So, dahil ayaw niya na makapuntos itong si Aquino, hinalambitinan na lang niya. Making Aquino throw this free throw, and this is being brought to you by Embarcadero. Ang free throw na to, once again, ay hatid po sa inyo ng Embarcadero. Gandol now. Faced by Yasol. Yasol for the rebound now. Siya yung may tanga ng bola. Nakuha ni Fajardo, tumatakbo! Dire-diretso! Pero merong foul.
Foul on number 36, Michael Angelopoulos, first, second, team foul. 2 shots for Mark Ernst Fajardo.
Now Fajardo will be shooting 2 free throws and this is being brought to you by Highlands Park. Sarap din tumambay dyan sa Highlands, di ba? another venue for team building.
Meron ako mga angels na nasa likod ko na bumubulong sa akin.
That one was good from Fajardo from behind the free throw line. Now Gabion, may tanga ng bola. And, nandito na yung ating courtside reporter na si Carmela at meron siyang gustong i-report sa atin. So, Carmela, please come in.
According to Coach Jay Rodriguez of Team Tuwi sa kanilang huddle kanina, either we're really struggling in their defense. Hindi pa daw nila nakukuha ang tamang strategy ngayong first quarter. Kaya still, right now, pinag-aaralan pa din nila ang dapat na maging play style against Team Malinaw. Back to the panel.
Alright, there goes the voice. Boses pa lang, talagang maganda na, no? Itong ating courtside reporter na si Carmela. Gabion for Malilipot. Throws it to Aquino sa labas. Ipinasa naman ni Aquino dito kay Bitara. Pero ang na-foul ay itong si Milagrosa.
Foul
From
number
that
11,
rebound.
Edwards moving
I like the way Milagrosa player tonight because he is forcing his will sa ilalim. Yan ang laro ni Aldrin.
So yan ang inaasahan natin sa kanya tonight. Short on that one. That's the second try for Aldrin Milagrosa. Now nasa mga naka-violet na ang bola. Gandol. Pinasa doon sa kanyang kakampi. Pero that's way off the mark. Kotara. Nakita doon si Cabiles pero wala pa rin, ano? Ito na ang mga naka-green. Gabion. Wala yung 3-point shot na yon. Gagantihan din sana ng kabila pero wala. Inabot na tayo ng ating pagtatapos sa ating first quarter ng ating Tiwi versus Malilipot action dito po sa Ako Bicol Cup 2022. Score po natin Malilipot 25, Tiwi 16. Magbabalik po kami, dyan lamang po kayo.
Libo-libo na ang mga nabigyan ng tulong medikal. Bata, matanda, kahit sino man, lahat ng mga may karamdaman, may maaasahan.
Nagpapasalamat sa Ako Bicol Party List.
Hindi po namin makakalimutan ang tulong na dinala ninyo dito sa aming bayan.
Maraming salamat po.
Dahil iisa lang ang tunay na nagmamalasakit. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurog pa.
Nagbabalik po tayo dito sa tapatan ng mga taga 3rd District pa rin sa ating Day 15 ng Ako Bicol Cup 2022. Malilipot versus Tiwi. Ang makakuha ng unang possession sa ating second quarter ay ang mga taga Malilipot. Binyas using his left hand. Nope. Rebound. Rito. Gives it to Gandol. Gandol. Nakita si
That's Ayusan.
Ayusan.
Ay, baka pala makalimutan partner, yung mga taga-geothermal power plant sa Tiwi. Oo, nagpapabati pala sa akin yung magandang gabi po sa lahat ng nanonood.
Alright, sige mga taga geothermal. As we take a look at this slow-mo, yung foul shot ni Ayusan. And now Ayusan shoots his second free throw. Wala. Ano kaya nangyari doon? Mukhang nadulas sa kamay. Ay di umaabot yung bola. Gabion for malilipot. Wala yung tira ngayon. That was challenged. Pero nakabalik sa mga taga malilipot pa rin ng bola. Wala yung tirang yun. Asol. That could have been an easy two-pointer. Now it's Gandol versus Gabion. And Gandol winning on that particular play. Gabion. Umikot. Pero wala yung pasang yon. Napunta sa mga kamay yun ni Rito. And Rito, naando doon na sa baba. At na-foul. And this guy will definitely...
Foul number 12, Calvin Brutus. That is second team foul. 2 shots for Pete Rico.
And yun yung magandang tira ni Gandol over Gabion sa ating slow-mo. Now it's Rito making his first free throw. And this free throw shot is being brought to you by Willie and Sons. Bastard Appliance, Willie's.
Substitution. The rest of your zone for Raptor Carrion.
Now the guys of Malilipot inbounding. Brutas, binigay kay Gabion. Gabion, kay Carrion. Carrion naghahanap ng mapapasahan. Nakuha ni Gabion. Wala. Gabion is now missing about, third consecutive shots.
Kasi nababantayan na siya.
Nababantayan na siya. Hindi kagaya kanina na talagang hinahayaan lang siya. Brutas, wala yung tirang yon. Now Rito. Using his left hand, wala. Pero he followed it up with his right. And he cannot go wrong using his right.
This is a 6-0 run for the team to win. That is why dalawa na lang ang kalamangan ng Malilipot.
Yes, 25-23 po ang ating score. Nakasungkit ng nakaanakaw ng mga ng two-pointer doon itong si Carrion. Pero ayan si Gandol mukhang babawi. Yun na nga.
Mark Anthony Gandol.
Once again, that's Gandol. Carrion setting the play for Malilipot now. Pulls up and puts it in.
Itong team Malilipot, they have a very reliable perimeter shooting. Lalo-lalo na yung mga guardia nila. Even the big guys ay nakakatira ng perimeter.
Yes.
They just have to maximize that advantage.
That's what they have to do.
Foul number 23, Richard Binyas. That is first, third team foul.
And we have a timeout here.
Timeout, Team Malilipot.
And this timeout is brought to you by Inco Tools. Ayan. So, avail of 50% discount on all Inco Power Tools ngayong Ako Bicol Cup 2022. Imagine 50% off sa lahat ng mga branches ng Inco Tools habang ongoing po ang Ako Bicol Cup 2022. So pwede kayong bumili sa Legazpi, sa Sorsogon, and sa Naga. Now back to the ball game. 29 po para sa Malilipot, Tiwi 25. So naghahabol po sila ng 4 na puntos. 14 seconds sa shot clock sa ating pagbabalik. Nakuha naman naka-green, Aquino. At ayun na si Milagrosa for the layup. Hinihingi ni Gandol yung bola at binigay naman ni Fajardo. Ayun na naman nakawala yung bola kay Gandol. At sa kabilang banda, nandun si Gabion for that fast break opportunity.
That's a good timeout on the part of Team Malilipot. Because of that timeout, suddenly nagkaroon sila ng 8-0 run. I mean, 8-2 run.
8-2 run.
Yan yung mga bagay na kailangan mo gawin. Yung pamatay sunog is timeout.
Oo. Aquino. And a floater mula sa gilid from that guy, Binyas. Rito, shooting a 3, wala. The ball went off sa backboard. And now it's Malilipot's ball with Carrion now having the ball. And that slow-mo was brought to you by Yashano Mall. Parang gusto ko na rin mag-shopping siguro bukas. Dyan sa Yashano Mall.
Bigyan kita gift certificate.
Sige. Why not?
Shopping certificate.
Aquino finds Binyas. Same spot. Pero not this time. Ito na ang fast break opportunity for Tiwi. That's Mark Anthony Gandol for that transition play.
Si Gandol, ito din ang tao dito sa Team Tiwi na very aggressive from the day 1 of our tournament up until now to this last day of elimination.
Walang absent.
Oo. Even though na medyo off sila sa mga laro nila, and that is why nga wala silang panalo, pero makikita mo yung aggressiveness and the eagerness of a guy like Gandol na makakuha man lang kahit isang panalo.
Yeah, that should be the attitude. Diba?
Oo.
Even if your team is losing, nandun pa rin, 100% ka pa rin sa attendance at pinapakita mo pa rin ang lahat mo. Binibigay mo ang lahat para maipanalo mo ang team. Ayun na naman, nasungkit ng mga taga-Tiwi sana ang bola. Pero mukhang napalakas yung pasa na yon ni Flores para kay Gandol. Kaya mababalik po ang bola sa mga naka-green, ang mga taga-Malilipot. Again, kasama niyo po si Kapa Morgan and Coach Kyle Marilla. With, of course, nandito na ang ating courtside reporter na si Carmela. Giving you the best play-by-play action and the best analysis of every game dito po sa Ako Bicol Cup. The best that we can give, alright? Ayan na. Giving his best naman itong si Flores with that right-handed layup mula sa steal.
You're seeing the best of the best. From every detail of this Ako Bicol Cup is the best.
Wala pa yung beast mode.
Wala pa
nagbe-beast mode.
Wala pa nagbe-beast mode.
And that's a three-pointer from Carrion. And that one was brought to you by Misibis Bay, your tropical island getaway. Misibis Bay. Ito na naman, mabibilis ang mga taga-Malilipot. Tinapon na lang doon ni Milagrosa ang bola, pero nandun yung kanyang kakampi na si Aquino, who was fouled. Putting it back para sa kanyang kupunan. And ito yung slow-mo niyan. Dalawang nando doon.
For Noriel Gabion, 2. But tercero.
So Aquino will be awarded another 2 free throws. And this free throw is being brought to you by Embarcadero. Sarap din tumambay dyan sa Embarcadero.
Oo, malapit sa office nyo.
Oo.
Bibisitahin ko nga kayo doon minsan.
Sure.
Baka may pakape.
Sure,
May
why
pakape
not?
man lang.
Why not, di ba?
Oo, magpapakape sa akin si Paul.
Sigurado yan.
Oo.
Maraming baon niya na kape si Paul. So, ayun na.
Milk tea daw, sabi ni Nico.
Nag-iba yung isip mo, ah. Pelagrosa attacks the basket. Pero nakuha niya yung rebound. Forcing the shot. Wala pa rin, and he was asking for a foul. Pero mukhang wala. Natawagan ng foul.
11 seconds.
Maliis na ako, partner. Alam mo yung mga sponsors na nilalabas natin ngayon dito is one of the best tourist spots. Lalong-lalo yung mananonood sa atin ng hindi Bicolano, hindi pa nakapunta ng Bicol.
Yan.
Yan yung mga lugar na pwede yung puntahan.
Oh, dapat nilang puntahan.
Yes.
Kasi mamimiss nila yung mga bagay na yan while in Bicol, not visiting those places like Misibis Bay, di ba?
Oo.
Meanwhile, that's Aquino missing in that one. Pero nandun yung kanyang kakampi.
Big boy move!
Yeah.
Sabi nga ni Coach Ranji, one of the extra rice. Part ng Extra Rice Corporation.
And that's Bitara. And this power play is brought to you by Highlands Park. Ayan. Gusto mo magpahangin, gusto mong overlooking view, diyan ka sa Highlands Park. Walang ibang dapat puntahan.
Doon ba tayo mamaya?
Tanong natin kay Boss. Boss Christian. Verano.
Way off.
That's way off the mark. Ito na si Aquino. Finds Carrion. That's a nice play.
The PRT boy, the DOH boys connecting.
So they are both from the
Oo,
DOH?
sila Aldrin, si Mac Aquino, si Rafter Carrion.
Talaga?
Oo, si Noriel Gabion.
Oo, ang
Ang
alam,
nakakasama na yan, if I'm not wrong, DOH or BRTTH eh. Yung mga sa inter-organization dito sa atin sa Albay, sila magkakampi.
Sila yung magkakampi.
So the core of this group, talagang galing doon.
Oh, as we take a
Ganda
look at this
pasa.
beautiful play, brought to you by Ellie's Ecotel naman. Dami nating sponsor. Partner, mga taga Ellie's Ecotel. Masarap matulog dyan. Malamig.
Alam mo, ang pwede mo maging ruta dyan,
Ha?
punta ka muna sa Inco Tools, bili ka ng kung anong power tool doon, tapos
Oo.
punta ka naman sa Willie and Sam for entertainment.
Yes.
Ngayon gusto mo magpahangin doon ka sa Highlands or
Oo.
Embarcadero, and
Oo.
after gusto mo na matulog, sa Ecotel ka na.
Ayan, sa Ellie's Ecotel ka na.
Yan dapat ang magiging route. Sa team building, doon ka lang talaga, Nico, magstay.
Sa Misibis.
For 1 week.
Oo.
Following Xavier Vitara, that is third.
Ganda ng mga
Oo.
sponsors natin, ano?
Kaya binibigyan ko na nga sila ng ng anong ba tawag doon? Yung parang kung ano pupuntahan mo.
That one is a miss. Pero nandun si Paro to put it back for Team Tiwi.
The problem on the Team Tiwi, ito si Fajardo, hindi siya nakapaglaro throughout this tournament. I guess this is only his third time na maglalaro dito. Kaya talagang big factor to na hindi nakapaglaro si Fajardo para sa kanila.
Oh, pero makikita mo naman kahit bagong salta siya, hindi siya ang gandang move yun ni Aquino. Nagkaagawan si Verano at si Carrion pero nagwagi si Verano.
Mintis
Pero
lang.
mintis lang yung tirang yon. Ayan naman si Carrion. Pulls up and misses that one. Ito na si Rito. Binigay kay Flores. Balik sa kanya pero iba ang napasahan. Now it's a 2-on-1 situation. Carrion using his right hand. And yan, dahil sa persistence itong si Carrion, not giving up on that play, nakuha pa rin niya yung bola, kaya lang na-foul siya, hanging up in the air. And now, he's given this 2 free throws. Makes the first one.
Ang bilis na nung panahon, no? Last day na pala ng first round of elimination natin. Pero come second round, talagang totoong bakbakan.
Oh, and that portion was brought to you by Hotel Venetia. Oy, hello din sa mga taga Hotel Venetia.
Kahit tag-iisang kwarto na tayo.
Team building na naman daw. Flores. Torito. And that's good.
Nalilito na ako.
Saktong-sakto yun. We only have 8 seconds.
Kung saan ako mag-stay
Ayun na nga, nakakalito na eh.
for vacation.
Aquino, gumanti sana pero wala. Ayun, and that ends our second quarter of action between Tiwi and Malilibot. Malilibot leading this ball game 51-40. Ito po ang Ako Bicol Cup 2022. Atin to.
Kung usapang gamit na pangbahay ay alam mo na kung saan. Kapag napunta sa inko lang yan. Sa inko ang katuwang sa pagkumpuni, sa pagremedyo ng mga sirat, paglinis ng tumi. Sa tahanan, opisina, ang maaasahan mo ay inko. Oh, inko. 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 Oh, inko. 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 Oh, inko. 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 Oh, inko. Inko.
Tucked away in the province of Albay, known for its perfectly shaped Mayon volcano, Misibis Bay Resort, a locally owned 5-hectare private island resort. The resort is ready for all those looking to balance tranquility and adventure. This tropical destination is where guests can either choose to relax under the palm trees or have an adventure under the sun. It features modern and luxurious rooms and villas, recreational facilities, and sophisticated services. Come and experience Misibis Bay Resort, your tropical island getaway.
Hindi rin nagpahuli sa pagtugon sa mga pangailangan ng ating mga healthcare workers at mga frontliners. Sa simula pa lang nitong pandemya hanggang sa ngayon, walang humpayang pagtulong.
Ay, nagpapasalamat po ako sa pagtaon ng tabang hali sa ako Bicol Party List.
Salamat kong dakula sa duwang congressman. Kayo nakakatabang sa miya sa gabi.
Maaasahan. Ako Bicol. Katabang na, kasurog pa.
Ohoy! Back to the ball game tayo. At ayan ang unang tira sa ating third quarter mula kay Rito. Pero hindi man lang umabot sa ring yon. That's for Team Tiwi. Again, coach, ang score natin 51-40. So hindi pa nakakalamang, coach, itong Tiwi, no?
And that is because of the consistency of Team Malilipot in their perimeter shot. At kanina, during that late second quarter run of Team Malilipot, connecting yung mga fast break opportunities, they are capitalizing all the forced turnovers committed by the Team Tiwi.
Pero Rito making that three-pointer, and that one was brought to you by Willie and Sons. We make things together. Bago na yan, ha? Ibang version yon.
Oo, sige.
Alright, sige. Eto na, si Gandol tumatakbo para sa Team Tiwi. Dire-diretso using his left or right hand. Saktong-sakto yon. Walang dumipensa. Not even one dared to stop Gandol in that particular play. Yazol missing. And that will count.
Ganda nung double clutch doon ni Aldrin Milagrosa.
And he was fouled by his friend, Gandol. You can see na they're friends, no?
Oo.
Smiling at each other.
Oh, these guys naman are no strangers from each other. Magkakilala yan, magkakalaban-laban yan. Naging magkakampi na rin.
Oo. And now Gandol stopping, giving it to Fajardo for that triple. Wala, na-rebound ni Aquino. And now Gabion.
That's what you want if you're Team Malilipot, for Fajardo shooting in that range.
Aquino giving it to Carrion. Who gives it back to Gabion. Gabion being guarded by Flores. And yon, meron ng screen kaya tumira, pero medyo short ng konti. Almost, pero sabi mo nga, not quite. Oo. In the meantime, Gandol, diretso na naman. Using the board, wala. Ito ang version ni Yasol ng fast break. Giving it to Milagrosa. Pero wala. At wala ding foul na itawag. Gandol. Giving it to Flores. Flores losing it. And now, second opportunity for Milagrosa. And he makes it. Rito was fouled by that. Sabi mo nga, extra na yun?
No, Extra Rice. One of the Extra Rice Corporation. Bintara.
Bitara.
Yung pangalawang layup ni Aldrin, siniguro nyo na yun.
Siguro na yun. Kahit medyo that one was even challenged, ano? And this free throw shot is being brought to you by Inco Tools. Kung saan may Pilipino, nandoon din ng Inco. Second try for Rito. Well, saan nga ba padodoon yon? Siyempre, Rito lang.
Oo.
Ito naman si Gabion. To Aquino for Malilipot. Back to Gabion sa gilid. Nakita si Aquino again.
Si Makmak nakaisa pa lang.
Oo. Ayan na. Nasa mga taga-Tiwi na ang bola. Gandol, zigzagging. Nope. Yasol. Ano kayang gagawin ni Yasol? Ay, titira yan. Pero sablay yung tirang yon using the board. Nakuha ng mga taga-Tiwi ang bola. Gandol giving it to Bobis. Bobis missing. Ayan na. Ang mga naka-green na naman, Gabion. Missing. Fajardo. To Gandol. blocked by Milagrosa, pero nakapunta uli sa kanya yung bola. Swerte naman itong si Gandol sa ilalim, no?
May nabasa akong comment sa mga taga-malamig pa rin kami. Yung mga nanonood sa atin na hindi alam, ang word na malilipot is cold.
Oo, linalamig.
Nilalamig.
Oo. Lipot po kasi from the word lipot, which means lamig.
Oo.
Napakalipot naman ng
And
boses,
dito naman
boses mo.
sa Team Tiwi naman,
Oo.
kung hindi nyo nalalaman, ito yung, di ba andito yung mga pot?
Yes, yung mga
gawa sa putik.
mga gawa sa clay.
Oo.
Oo.
Diyan yung mabibili yan.
Naalala ko nung bata ko, inaamoy-amoy ko yung baril-barilan kong made of clay galing dyan sa Tiwi. Ang
Oo?
sarap amoyin. Oo. Hindi mo na na-experience yun eh.
Hindi, kasi 18 years old pa lang ako eh.
nasa sinapupunan ka pa lang ako.
Oo.
Tumatakbo-takbo na.
Nasa chan pa lang ako ni Mama. Idol na kita eh.
Huwag mo naman akong binibisto ng ganyan. Ayan, so ilayo natin yung topic. Dito na tayo, balik tayo sa basketball. Yasol! Using his left hand, wala pa rin. Ito na si Rito. Diretso, using his left hand and the board. And that's a great shot of this big guy. Gabion, faking, giving it to Milagrosa. And Milagrosa finishing it. At meron pang foul. Ito yung slow-mo natin. Ang gandang pasa. And this is being brought to you by Yashano Mall. Ano kayang mabibili ko ngayon dyan? Mamaya. Hindi, bukas na. Gabi na eh.
Sarado na yung matapos tayo dito, sarado na sila eh.
Tapos tayo dito, sarado na yung Yashano Mall. Bukas na lang.
Pero may mga comment partner doon na nabasa ko sa ano.
And well, this portion is being brought to you also by Mississippi Bay, your tropical island getaway.
Parang ikaw ang lugi ngayon ah.
Bakit?
Ikaw ngayon pagtitripa nila direct. Pero binabalik ako yung sinasabi ko. Yung kanina, nung mga previous games natin, partner, may mga nag-comment doon na feeling nila yung boses mo daw mas bata kumpara sa akin.
Oo. O, ganun naman talaga eh. Mas bata naman po talaga ako. Ha?
Ano ka, 16 years old ka pa lang?
Etong partner ko dito eh, mga 20, ano na to eh, 29. Eh, ako nasa, ano pala eh, 21.
Wow.
Batang bata.
Enjoying this game right now is me and Morgan.
Yes,
Because,
of course. Basta't basketball talaga nag-enjoy tayo. Lalo na pagka ganun ang mga tira ni Milagrosa na walang sablay sa free throw line. Eto na si Kutara. Giving it to Rito. Rito gives it to that number 15 guy. That's Ausan. Gabion. Will he pass or will he shoot? And he shoots. Pero kapos yung tirang yon. And Gandol was fouled. Habang going strong to the hoop.
That's the second team foul.
Hindi nagkakala yung score natin. This is only a 7-point ball game. That is because these two teams, they want to run and they are defending well from both ends of the floor. Pero eto nga, the story of these two teams are they are collapsing the defensive end, defensive side nila throughout this tournament. Nagko-collapse sila in fourth quarter, kaya natatalo sila.
But the offense, wala namang problema.
Oo, wala. They can shoot, especially this team malilipot. And same goes with Team Tiwi. You have a prolific guard dito sa kabila, Noriel Gabion, dito naman sa kabila, Mark Anthony Gandol. But the question is, can they do it alone?
Can they do it alone and can offense do it alone?
Yes, of course you have to defend.
Sabi mo nga kanina, nagko-collapse sila sa fourth quarter, sa last part ng ball game with their defense. So sa last game nila dito sa ating first round, masusubukan sila. Meantime, Carrion launches a 3, wala. Ayan na naman si Gandol. Napakabilis. And wala yung tirang yon. Medyo napalakas niya yung banda niya. And that one also was a missed shot from Kotara. Pero yon, natirang yon ni Bitara ay talagang sure ball na sure ball. Fajardo! Wala din, and he was asking for a foul. 2 versus 1. Siyempre, panalo dyan ng 2.
2 is better than 1.
2 is better than 1 talaga. Lalo na pag 3. Gandol losing it. And we have a report from Carmela Hernandez. Carmela.
Sabi nga ni Coach Johannes Sampig ng malilipat, their playstyle is all about defense and offense. Yun lang daw ang dapat nilang tutukan to maintain their lead in this game right now. At hindi daw pwede mawala ang kumpiyansa sa sarili, and then also enjoy na lamang ang laro ngayon. Because again, our headline for today's game, experience is better than winning. Balik sa inyo, Coach Kyle and Coach Morgan.
At yun na nga. Para sa team malilipot, dapat i-enjoy na lang daw. Kagaya nito, ka-enjoy naman talaga ang play na yon from Carrion to Gabion. Walang nagawa doon itong si Bobis ba yun? Right now, we have a timeout. And this timeout is being brought to you by Ellie's Ecotel.
Maganda yung ang performance nito na team malilipot eh. During that first game of them, tinalo nila yung second seed na Team Malinaw. Sila lang yung nakatalo dun sa Team Malinaw.
Talaga?
This team malilipot. So, from there, medyo parang nagkulang lang yung performances nila in their defense kasi yung offense talaga, they are clicking. Especially from the range, yung mga big man nila. Ito, sabi ko nga kanina, the big guys of Team Malilipot is reliable perimeter shooters. Problema talaga, yung depensa ay nagkukulang pagdating ng second half. Maybe because meron din dyan na the player rotation of this team is not deep at all, kaya talagang mahihirapan din sila to adjust from to the last buzzer.
And siguro factor na din dyan yung mga foul trouble, di ba?
Yeah, definitely. And even the fatigue. These guys are not as youthful ng ibang team.
Compared
So syempre,
sa ibang team.
compared sa ibang team, may factor din yan ng exhaustion and fatigue.
So, saka sabi mo nga, medyo mababaw yung bench nila.
Oo.
Kaya wala silang, when it comes to player rotation, talagang mahihirapan.
Yeah, especially this team is relying to that DOH boys. This Aquino, Gabion, Milagrosa, and Carrion. And even Santa Clara is there. Pero hindi ata maglalaro si Santa Clara because of that sprained ankle during their last game.
So, another factor for them. Pero we will see. Kotara. Ganda ng tirang yun ni Kotara. Sa kabila naman, etong si Milagrosa. Wala. Mapupunta ang bola sa mga naka-violet. At yun, wala na. Sabi ni Rito, ako nang bahala nito. Now it's Aquino for malilipot. Gabion. Milagrosa. Back kay Gabion. So it's a two-man play. Nadagdagan ni Carrion. Shooting a three-pointer. Wala. Ayun na si Gandol. Wala pa rin. And he is asking for a foul na hindi ibinigay ng referee. Carrion. To Gabion, launching a three. Wala. Nandun si Milagrosa for the rebound and for the putback. Pero he was heavily defended by number 15. Ayusan.
That is first. Fourth team foul. 2 shots for Aldrich Milagrosa.
As we take a look at Coach Jay Rodriguez, medyo hindi niya nagugustuhan ang mga nangyayari sa ball game. The officiating. Titingnan natin.
In that last sequence, yung layup ni Gandol, they were asking for a foul. Because nga merong medyo, ang iningi nila ay may tulak daw doon.
Oo.
14 seconds on the shot clock.
And now, Malilipot will inbound. Mula sa kabila, pinasa dito sa kabilang banda. At yun na nga, tumira na doon si Gabion, hindi na inantay pa na makapag-set up ng play. At yun naman, sana minamadali din, pero sa sobrang pagmamadali, nabitawan nitong si Bobis ang bola. And that's another turnover para sa mga taga-Tiwi na naghahabol po ng 5 puntos sa larong ito. Malilipot leading by 5, 64-59. 53 seconds na lang po remaining in this third quarter action. Ayon si Gabion. Itinapon na lang ang bolang yon at umaasang mapapaul on that particular play, pero wala. Ito na mga taga-Tiwi. Gandol. Almost losing that ball. Tumira ng 3. Yes! That's Mark Anthony Gandol from the corner. So, Coach, mukhang nakakahabol na. But that 3-point shot was brought to you by Embarcadero.
Oh, nakakabol na because yung team Malilipot right now, much of a sloppy plays. Kaya napupunta sa kapabalik ang bola at doon naman sa kabila, pagka nag-init na ng tuluyan, si Gandol mahihirapan din ng team Malilipot dito.
And mukhang Aquino is also looking for that foul na dapat na itawag ng referee. And now it's Gandol bringing the ball in for Tiwi. Finds Rito. Medyo malakas yung 3-point shot na yon. Ito na si Gabion. Pulls up and puts it in from behind the arc. Gumanti naman itong si Gandol. Pero medyo malakas yung tirang yon. At yan po nagtatapos ang ating third quarter action between Tiwi and Malilipot. Malilipot pa rin po leading by 5, 67-62. Sa pagtatapos nga po ng ating pangatlong lugto dito po sa ating laban sa Ako Bicol Cup 2022. Magbabalik po kami.
Libo-libo na ang mga nabigyan ng tulong medikal. Bata, matanda, kahit sino man, lahat ng mga may karamdaman, may maaasahan.
Nagpapasalamat sa Ako Bicol Party List.
Hindi po namin makakalimutan ang tulong na dinala ninyo dito sa aming bayan.
Maraming salamat po.
Dahil iisa lang ang tunay na nagmamalasakit. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurog pa.
Papa Morgan, Coach Kyle Marilla, and sa courtside, Miss Carmela Hernandez ang kasama niyo po dito sa Ako Bicol Cup 2022. And yes, we're now starting our fourth quarter. Laban between Malilipot and Tiwi. Aquino finds Milagrosa sa corner. And he stepped on the line. Kaya mapupunta po ang bola sa mga naka-violet. Ang Tiwi. Flores now. Ang mga itangan ng bola rito. Nakita si Fajardo. And that's a beautiful looping shot. Malapit sa free throw line from that big guy, Fajardo.
Tira ni Mark Ernest Fajardo, parang parang push shot.
Pinupush niya lang Noriel Gabion umikot, walang mapuntahan, kaya ibinigay kay Bitara. Aquino shoots a 3, beating the clock. And that particular play,
Off balance na doon si
that
Mac Mac.
one was brought to you by Willie and Sons. Basta Appliances,
Willie's. In sync tayo, partner.
Oo. Nagkakaroon na ng sync, ano?
Oo, magandang gabi pala kay Boss Will.
Yes, of
Nasa
course.
Maynila yun ngayon.
And he's maybe watching right now, so magandang gabi po, Boss Will of Willie and Sons. Shout out din kay Miss Bem. Ayan, Miss Bem ng Willie and Sons.
And Mark Anthony Gandol. Nagtatrabaho din to dyan sa Willie and Sons.
Ay, talaga?
Oo, siya graphic artist daw siya doon eh.
So hindi tayo nalalayo, ano? Aquino now. Hanging in the air. Nakuha uli ang kanyang miss, pero sa pangalawang tira, wala pa rin. Napunta na sa mga taga-tiwi ang bola. Si Peda to Flores, who was fouled by that big man, Bitara, ng Malilipot.
You know na nagiging problem ng team Malilipot, partner, throughout this tournament is because of their one-on-one plays. As we take a look at this buzzer beating 3 by Aquino, yun ang nagiging problema nila. They are relying on their one-on-one. You have to get your teammates involved in every offensive plays that you got. Kasi
Yes.
mahihirapan ka if you're going to force yourself. Ang daming depensa, 5 defender ang sasalubong sa'yo. But if you are going to rotate the ball or move the ball with the player movement, mababasag ninyo kung ano man ang depensang nandyan. Yun ang nagiging issue nila so far na naobserbahan ko dito sa ating first round.
So they have to pass the ball to that open guy. And this time it's Gandol forcing the issue, and wala pa rin yung tirang yon, pero nakakuha na siya ng foul.
Oh, dagdagan ko lang din yung sinasabi ko. You see, if you're going to do one-on-one, but itong free throw na to hatid sa inyo ng Inco Tools, kung dadagdagan mo yung sinabi ko dun, partner, pag naglaro ka ng one-on-one, you are going to exert a lot more effort.
Yes.
Kaya syempre, yung energy mo din and even your oxygen, mas mababawasan because you're going to dribble the ball, you're going to get a separation from your defender, and you're going to attack. Diba, tatlo lang. But if you're going to cut, run, those baseline cut, those backdoor play, wala na.
So everybody has to move
Yes,
also.
oo. This is a team sports.
Oh, so that yung may bola naman ay hindi mahirapan.
Oo. Because alam naman kasi ng team Malilipot na they have a good one-on-one players. This guy, Noriel Gabion.
Oo. Pero in that particular play, he was swapped. At eto na, lamangan ng mga taga-Tiwi.
This is the first lead.
And this is going to be the first, tama ka, Coach, the first lead for Tiwi sa oras na 7:23 sa ating fourth quarter. And eto na ang Malilipot. They have 14 seconds to shoot. Carrion, tinapon ang bola sa labas, papunta kay Aquino. Aquino faking, turning, shooting, pero he was blocked. Pero nandun pa rin ng opensa, courtesy of Bitara. So tabla lang naman po tayo, 72 all. Flores launches a 3. And that's a great triple for Team Tiwi. And that 3-point shot was brought to you by Yashano Mall. At yun, time out tayo. Ito yung last shot ni Flores from behind the arc. So that shot pala was challenged by Aquino. Kaya lang medyo nahuli na siya. Naka-release na ng bola itong si Flores.
Mukhang nasira yung net dun ah.
Oh, para nga. Oh.
Butas na butas yung net eh.
And again, live na live po tayo dito sa Daraga Covered Court. Yung mga malalapit lang dyan, halina kayo. At tayo po ay napapanood naman sa Ako Bicol Online TV, Ako Bicol Party List Facebook page, at syempre sa page mismo ng Representative Sal Dico. Live po tayo sa Facebook. Now, syempre pipilitin ng Malilipot na makabalik ang kalamangan sa kanila. Kaya ayun si Aquino, pinapuwersa itong si Pajardo. And that's a
3 seconds violation.
3-second violation. So, may chance yung Tiwi na madagdagan pa yung kanilang kalamangan. Again, dito lang po sila sa huling yugto. Lumalamang. Wala yung tirang yun ni Fajardo. At nandito na yung mga taga-malilipot. Gabion crossing over and missing on that one. Pero nandun si Milagrosa for the putback. Lamang pa rin po ng isa ang Tiwi. Gandol being guarded by Carrion. Finds Flores. Wala yung tirang yon, kapos. Now Gabion shooting a 3. Nope. Rebound Flores for Tiwi. Binigay kay Fajardo. Now Gandol. Sabi niya, sandali lang. Yan, bigyan mo ako ng screen. Dumiretso. Pinasa sa labas. For Flores, pero wala. Eto na, tumatakbo na si Carrion. Pero nandun ang big guy na si Rito. And na-foul niya itong si Carrion.
Foul number 22, Team Rito. That is first team foul.
Aquino launches a 3. Nope. Rebound Flores. Ay na naman ang mga taga-Tiwi. 2-on-2 situation. Gandol versus Aquino. And Gandol winning in that particular play.
Right now, the biggest lead for the Team Tiwi is 3 points. Finally, the defense and offense of Team Tiwi
not working.
Shining bright.
So yun, talagang pinapakita yung... pero nandun. Nakabawi na ng tres. That 3-point shot brought to you by Misibis Bay, your tropical island getaway. Yung tres na yun hatid din sa inyo ni Carrion ng Malilipot. We have a tied ball game. 77 all si Peda. Nakita si Fajardo. Fajardo now. Tumira na lang. Almost, but not quite. Ayan na, si Carrion na naman. Stops and puts it in for Malilipot. Lamang na naman uli sila. 79-77. 4 minutes remaining sa ating ball game. Si Peda. Nakita si Gandol. Gandol being guarded by Carrion. Shoots 3. Yes! Yes for Gandol! And that 3-point shot was brought to you by Hotel Venetia.
Sagutan na.
Oo, sagutan ng tres dito po sa ating laban between Malilipot and Tiwi. Aquino to Carrion. Puts it in once again.
That's the third consecutive field goal make by Rafter Carrion.
81 Malilipot, 80 Tiwi. Flores launches a 3. Yan na naman ang kasagutan. And that 3-point shot was brought to you by the Highlands Park. Sarap magpahangin dyan sa Highlands. Gabion. To Aquino, balik kay Gabion ang bola. Naghahanap ng, naghihintay ng screen. Pick and roll play.
That's a good play.
Buti na lang, Milagrosa didn't fail for that second attempt. And now that we have a tied ball game once again.
We could be seeing a good ball game right now with this deadlock.
This is going to be an exciting ball game as we end this one. Ayan, ang Malilipot, may chance na makalamang. Gabion.
What
Stepping
a
back.
separation.
Nakita si Aquino pero Aquino can't make it. Ito na ang mga taga-Tiwi-Tiwi. Ayan si Gandol with that missed shot. Pero nandun pa rin siya. Giving it to Rito. Scoring that 2 is Rito.
Gandang hustle doon ni Rito.
Oo.
Only a 2-point ball game.
So was Gandol kasi hindi niya nandun pa rin siya eh. Now Gabion.
Wow, what a ganda ng hit. Good spin.
Tinapon na lang yun ni Gabion, pero if you're not I can say an excellent player, or if you're not that confident, hindi mo basta-basta itatapon ng gano'n yun. Pero kumpiyansa siya na maibubuslo niya yung bola. Fajardo! Ganda ng posisyon niya.
Mahalita sagutan.
Oo, para sa 2 puntos na yon. Ito na naman, gaganti ang mga taga-malilipot. Nasa TV na po ang lead, 87-85. Carrion looking for a screen. Pulls up, nope. Cepeda. Nandun na sa unahan si Flores. Wala pa rin, pero nandun si Cepeda for the putback. At nakakuha pa ng foul.
Team TV really wants this win.
Yes, definitely. And obviously.
Bonus shot corner, Kevin Cepeda. Timeout, Team Volleyball.
So we have a timeout here. At nakita natin, o napanood natin yung replay from that last play kung saan na foul itong si Cepeda while putting that ball up and putting it in. Once again, tayo po ay nandito sa Daraga Covered Court. Unang laro pa lang po natin ito for our day 15. This is the last eliminations.
Last day of elimination.
Last day of eliminations. At yung mga naglalaban-laban po dito sa ating day 15 na yung mga taga First District.
All their last game today. But again, Team TV making extra effort. They really want to have a crack to their winning column dito sa torneyong ito.
And meron pang chance itong si Cepeda na madagdagan pa yung kanilang kalamangan into 5 points.
Right now for the team malilipot, you don't need to settle for an outside shot. Just go strong to the hole and try to get an end one opportunity or try to earn your points from the free throw line.
But with their shooters Carrion and Gabion,
you
si Aquino.
You can hit the 3-point shot, but I guess if you're wide open, why not? Pero don't force it.
Yeah. Wala lang na forced na tira. And look at that now, Aquino. Gives it to Milagrosa. And there goes that triple. Yes! That's good for Aquino. So dalawa na lang po ang kalamangan ng Tiwi. As we now head on to the final seconds of this ball game. We have 45 seconds sa ating game clock. 12 seconds to shoot. Nope. Nakuha ng mga taga-malilipot ang bola. And they will have a chance to make a lead.
Open shot.
And that's a great shot! Yes! For Gabion.
Shot.
That's a top shot.
Yun na nga, yun yung pinakwentuhan natin.
Oo.
Why not?
Why not?
If you are open, Gabion and Aquino.
Why not if you're feeling it, di ba? So, balik sa kalabangan ang malilipot, 91-90. 34 seconds po. 34.3 remaining sa ating ball game.
These two teams are not done yet here sa Ako Bicol Cup 2022. They are still fighting for a win.
And this turned out to be an exciting ball game for all of us as we start this three-header matchup ngayong day 15 sa ating Ako Bicol Cup 2022.
This could go to an overtime.
You get yourself ready, Coach Kyle.
Yeah.
And
Another
right now,
treat for our viewers.
yes, of course. Ganito yung mga larong gustong-gusto natin. And right now, with 34 seconds, .3, we have a ball game. At ang Tiwi, they will try to regain the lead. Flores was fouled.
26.5 seconds remaining sa ating fourth quarter. Flores will take 2 free throws right now. If you are team Malilipot, you have to make sure na makapuntos ka on the other side.
And for Tiwi naman, Flores has to make these 2 shots. And yun, ang masakit kasi sumablay. Anyway, this free throw shot is being brought to you by Embarcadero. Last shot for Flores. And he makes it. So, ayan, tabla na naman tayo. So, sino kaya sa dalawang kupunan na to?
You have to defend honesty.
Ang makakascore sa mga dying seconds na meron tayo dito sa ating ball game. Gabion! Dire-diretso! Pero he was fouled while going strong to the basket. 14.7 seconds remaining sa ating ball game.
That's a good decision on the part of Noriel Gabion to attack strong. And nakita natin dito sa replay how strong the attack of Noriel Gabion was. Kaya nakapulot siya ng foul doon. He has to make these 2 free throws kasi meron pang isang timeout. Ang Team Tiwi, they can call for a time, make their play. 14.7, anything can happen.
And sabi nating matapang tong si Gabion, sacrificing his body on that particular play para makapuntos or hindi kaya makakuha ng opportunity for the 2 free throws.
Same problem on the team of the opponent of Team Malilipot, not putting a body in front of Noriel Gabion. Talaga, kung hindi ka titirahan nito sa perimeter, aatakihin ka talaga nito.
And now, Gabion making the first one. But meron pang sapat naman na oras itong Tiwi.
0.9 nga, nai-score pa eh.
Oo, di ba?
Yan pa kaya na 14.7. At namintis niya. Pero nandun ang bola, you don't need to foul. I mean, you have to foul. 12.8 to 12 seconds on the shot clock.
So, do you think that's a good decision on the part of Tiwi to foul Aquino? And this is going to be a sideline throw in. So they have to make a defensive stop here. I'm talking about Team Tiwi. Dahil nalalamangan po sila ng isang punto ng Malilipot. 12 seconds remaining. And there goes another foul.
Foul number 13, Mark Anthony Gandol. That is third personal foul. 14 foul.
Meron pang isang foul
Oo.
na kailangan ibigay.
Buti na lang wala pa sa penalty tong Tiwi, ano? So one more chance for both teams, for Malilipot to get that possession and for Tiwi naman to make a defensive stop, pero nandun ang foul ni Verano.
And Noriel Gabion will be tested on the line. Kasi kahit maipasok niya itong dalawang free throw na to, this is only a 1-possession ball game.
Yes, and meron pang chance yung Tiwi to score a 3-pointer para makatabla sa larong ito. So siniguro na talaga ni Gabion ang kanyang unang free throw.
You have to make this one. 2 for 2.
And yun, Gabion making both of those free throws offered sa kanya. 94-91 po ang score natin. Malilipot leading. 9.4 seconds remaining sa ating ball game. What an exciting ball game.
Right now, the hot guys of the team at Tiwi. But before that,
eto, ang timeout na to ay hatid po sa inyo ng Ellis Ecotel.
yun yung sinasabi ko kanina, the hot guys of Team Tiwi right now is Rito, Gandol, and Flores. You have to make a good defense if you are Team Malilipot. But the question, you can use the foul gaming here. You can foul Team Tiwi to take 2 free throws kesa ibigay mo yung 3-point shot. Pero titingnan natin kung yan din ba ang nasa isip ng Team Malilipot. Pero definitely, that's a gun that you can use in situation like this.
So we will see kung gano'n ang magiging desisyon ng Team Malilipot. At 9.4 seconds remaining sa ating ball game, it's a 3-point lead for Malilipot. Fajardo, Tugandol for 3! Wala! Pero nakuha pa rin ng mga taga-Tiwi ang bola.
That's a
And
foul!
Fajardo, or Rito, rather, was fouled while launching that 3. So, meron siyang 3-point opportunity. As we take a look that shot, that attempt, that's actually a desperate shot. You don't have to foul that, di ba? Pero yun ang nangyari. Wala na tayong magagawa. Hindi na natin mababawi yan. Matitesting na lang itong si Rito sa free throw shooting niya.
Again, we have to take a look at this replay. That's a clearly fouled on the 3-point area. Right now, if you are Team Tiwi, you have to miss that last shot and try to grab the offensive rebound for you. 1.9 seconds.
Yeah, dapat maipasok niyo to at least.
Maipasok mo to. Kung hindi mo man to maipasok, imintis mo na yung pangatlo and try your best to get that offensive rebound.
And make another 3-point shot.
Yes.
So, this is going to be a crucial one for Tiwi. Ano kaya ang nasa isip nitong si Rito? Ngayong hindi na sila nakapag-time out for some instruction from their coach.
Yun na nga ang ginawa nila. But that is early entry. That's a good call on the referee.
So we have 9 milliseconds sa ating game clock. So sa tingin mo, Coach, that's a good call?
That's a good call. That's a good call actually. Yan, madali mo makikita yun eh. Pa-release pa lang yung bola niya pero nakaapak na siya dun sa paint kaya talagang matatawagan siya ng early entry. And that is because yung referee din ay expecting na gagawin niya yun. So talaga nakabantay yung mata ng referee.
Ina-anticipate din yung mga instance.
Again, a good effort here for Team Malilipot.
Not bad for Team Tiwi. Almost making this game a winner para sa kanila pero they fell short. 94-92 po ang ating final score. Malilipot winning in this first match-up sa ating Day 15 ng ating Ako Bicol Cup 2022.
And para sa ating Congressman Saldico Kasurug, player of the ball game, none other than the best guard of Team Malilipot, Norel Gabion with 30 points, 5 rebounds, 2 assists, and 1 steal.
Ayan, so yun po ang ating first match-up for today sa ating Day 15 ng ating Ako Bicol Cup 2022. The exciting ball game between Malilipot and Tiwi. And abangan po ang susunod na laban between Malinao versus Malinao and Santo Domingo.
tahanan, opisina, ang maaasahan mo ay Inko. Oh, Inko. Inko. Inko.